So my name is Mike Burr. I am the Director of Innovation Deployment here at Purina Animal Nutrition Center. What innovation deployment is, I kind of run the areas that aren't a species group. So all the support groups like manufacturing or packaging or data intelligence, those groups report up through me, and we help the species groups get their work done. So when a new product is developed, we don't take care of the nutrition, but we make sure that nutrition gets to the customer. Feed greatness. That's a philosophy to me. What we do every day ensures that our products are gonna meet the goals of the animal, meet the goals of the finished customer. To be great at something, you have to be able to consistently meet your goals. You can't fall short one day and then meet them the next day and then fall short on the third day. Feed greatness to me is that we can consistently meet what that product says it's gonna do.